Here's the thing. You need to make sure that you get sober, because if you don't, only one or two things going to end up happening. Either you're going to end up spending your rest of your life in prison, or somebody's identifying your body.
Randy Gonzalez stands alone, facing a felony charge that could put him behind bars. What follows isn't a trial. It's a decision. A plea that trades uncertainty for consequence and reveals how quickly a life can pivot inside a few minutes of sworn questions.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 010795, State versus Randy Gonzalez. Can I have parties announce?
Good morning, Judge. Alfonso Cabañas for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? I'm sorry, Mr. Gonzalez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, to proceed on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, EG1 less than 10.
Any objections? Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance? Penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is.
Mr. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
I understand.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on the less included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 180 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244 and an $800 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I do.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state offers states exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No judgment states one in attachment to that.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, just that we ask that the court follow the plea agreement we have with the state.
All right, the court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 180 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine, time and money to run concurrent, and there's to be no residing in households with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You need to make sure that you get sober, because if you don't, only one or two things going to end up happening. Either you're going to end up spending your rest of your life in prison, or either you're going to end up where somebody's identifying your body. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And he also has another case. Is that correct?
I believe so, Judge. I'll double check.
All right. It's family violence. Family violence.
Yes, Your Honor. Who is defendant?
Is he Freddie Lozano?
No, Your Honor.
Why do I do that? It's Gonzalez.
Randy Gonzalez?
Randy Gonzalez. Oh, he doesn't have anything else.
Okay.
All right. So with regards to your sentencing, when you're released from custody, if you can't find a place that can help you maintain your sobriety, you come back here. I'm here. I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to put you in their transitional home. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's not going to go well for you if you don't take control of this.
I understand.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Good
you.
luck to you. Okay.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
one more thing, Judge.
Mhm.
On the court's condition that he does not reside in a home with a minor, his daughter lives with him, Judge, at his home.
Mhm.
Could the court make an exception just to let him?
Here's my concern. And I would be willing to change it, but he needs to show that he's going to be clean and sober, because I have a concern with people who are in the throes of their addiction residing in households with minors, because anything can happen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And by anything, I mean, you don't want your child to discover you overdosed, right? And I've had cases as an attorney. I know your attorney has had cases as well, where children find their parents and they've overdosed. That's not good for their psyche. That's something that's always with them. So if you show the court that you've maintained your sobriety, your attorney comes back, I will remove that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? That's completely up to you. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, counsel.
180 days in county jail, an $800 fine, no weapons, no appeal, in a condition that cuts deeper than confinement. He cannot live in a home with minors, even his own child. The judge isn't punishing, she's protecting. The judge speaks directly to him, not as an authority, but as a warning voice from experience. Sobriety isn't optional anymore, because the next outcome isn't court, it's prison, or worse. And that choice from here on out is entirely his. So in the end, this case isn't about evidence or arguments. It's about accountability and whether the system's firm hand becomes a turning point or just another stop along the way. Drop your thoughts below.